Hi everybody and welcome to Wednesday, September 15th. Today is modified. Alright, today let's get into it. So today we are focusing on our 30-day writing challenge. Today is day 12. We are doing binder check and then we are working on our TPAC final draft. For many of my classes, we were working on final drafts starting Monday, but I'm still giving you guys this time to make sure you have your final drafts, that now they are fully edited and we are just going to work on them. They are due Sunday, September 19th at 11:59. Okay. So your due now for today is going to be day 12 of your 30-day writing challenge. The prompt is something I'm really good at is blank. So please make sure you are writing for the full 10 minutes and describing something that you are really good at, something that you're amazing at. Okay, this can be something as simple as writing, reading, knowing that you can help out with siblings at home, something that you take pride in, folks. Okay, so that was our due now. Then we went through our binder check. Again, this is the schedule for how it's going to look for the next 6 weeks. Okay, so this week is ELA, next week will be math, and the week after will be ELA one more time. Okay, so that's our 6-week binder check. TPAC final draft. Okay, we are going through it. This is what we will be doing in class. Remember, you have the final draft, and I'll show you what it looks like on Google Classroom in just a moment. You need to make sure that when you are writing, you have indented your paragraph, so you have 5 spaces. You have correct spelling and grammar. If you see, again, that blue squiggly line or the red squiggly line we talked about in class, you need to correct it. You need to figure out what's going on. You need to have correct punctuation, commas before a quotation, quotation marks at the beginning and end of the quote you pull directly from an article, periods at the ends of all your sentences, and the 5 elements of TPAC, okay? Your final copy, again, will go in your TPAC paragraph in Google Classroom. Let me go ahead and show you folks where that is located. So you're going to go down to TPAC writing practice. See right here where it says final TPAC paragraph. You're going to see final TPAC paragraph. It's going to have your first name and last name. When you go ahead and click it, folks, please notice Ms. Ornelas was doing it in class with you guys. Right here is where you should have your name. You should have your subject, your period, my name, Ms. Arroyo's name. If you just want to have Ms. Arroyo's names, that's fine. And then the date. So today's date, September 15, 2021. A title. Just for the sake of convenience, I did a title with you guys: in person versus virtual learning. Who wins? And then this, the following examples, that's our topic sentence. Remember, that's the sentence starter to go ahead and get started, okay? Once you are done with that, you will go back on Google Classroom, you will click View Assignment, and then you will be able to turn it in. So that's how you turn it into me, okay? Most of you guys have turned it into me, which is great. Make sure to get that in by Sunday. So that is one of our major assignments. And then other work is your TPAC checklist. So that packet, I want to collect it. You guys did a lot of hard work. So you need to make sure you have your post-TPAC reflection, your article annotations, your TPAC, the rough draft, your TPAC peer review, because remember we did peer review, and then your final draft, which is electronically turned into me. The rest is, all 3 of these are on paper, which will be collected, and then the post-TPAC reflection is also on Google Classroom. So if you're like, Ms. Ornelas, I can't find the article annotations, the rough draft, peer review, talk to me. I have those for you, okay? They're in our absence folder in the back of the classroom by the projector. Okay, and then we did talk a little bit about annotations, but really we didn't use it too much for Wednesday. We rather did annotations on Thursday, so I'll talk about that in our next video. I had that just in case we moved a little quickly today. Alright guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, reach out to me. You guys know what my office hours are, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye!